Welcome to Unlocking the World of IPTV, where endless entertainment is just a click away. Today, we'll guide you through creating your IPTV system, a gateway to limitless content. First, let's talk about the essential hardware required to get started on this journey. You'll need a reliable internet connection. It's the lifeline of your IPTV network. Next, we'll explore various software options that will power your IPTV experience. Choose software that fits your needs. Flexibility and ease of use are key factors. Once chosen, install the software on your device. It's a user-friendly process. Configuration is crucial, setting up channels and preferences for a personalized experience. Ensure an organized channel list to easily access your favorite entertainment choices. Test your setup. Stream a channel and tweak settings for optimal performance. Troubleshooting tips in case you encounter buffering issues or connectivity problems. Regular updates maintain security and efficiency, keeping your system running smoothly. Customizability is a highlight of IPTV. Discover how to create playlists effortlessly. Congratulations! You've learned to build a functional and personalized IPTV network. Enjoy endless, ad-free content. Customize your viewing experience like never before. Thanks for watching. Stay updated with our channel for more tech adventures and insights.